Hello to all my friends around the world who's watching this right now. We're going to be making a delicious teriyaki mackerel dish today. The first thing you will need to do is rinse, clean, and pat dry one mackerel fillet, which is about 300 grams. I personally love preparing, cooking, and eating mackerel fillets because it's super easy. You literally take it out of the freezer, defrost it, rinse and clean, and pat it dry. The next thing we're going to do is cut the fillets in half, and then we're going to pan fry them with the skin side down first until both sides are golden. Another reason I love eating mackerel is that it's packed with omega-3 and it's so good for you. Look at the color on the skin. It's such a beautiful fish. Once both sides of the mackerel is a golden color, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 6 tablespoons of mirin, which is Japanese sweet rice wine. Then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Mix everything together well and let the sauce simmer until it starts to thicken up, then flip the fish. Continue to let the sauce simmer until it thickens to cover all the fish. The moment you notice that the sauce thickens up enough to cling onto the fish, turn the heat off and plate the fish. Drizzle the sauce on top of the fish. My favorite way to eat this fish is to sprinkle a little bit of toasted sesame seeds on top and then eat it with a nice fresh bowl of steamed white rice. Please remember to click the like button and leave me a comment. Thank you for watching and see you again real soon.